हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल त्रिधरा टेकवे। बहुत सारे लोग बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, दिस इज त्रिधरा टेकवे एंड आई होप आप सब लोग इस लॉकडाउन में अच्छे होंगे। आज मैं आप लोगों को ये बताने वाला हूँ कि 1 से लेकर के 100 के बीच का कोई भी अगर नंबर है तो उसका स्क्वायर विद इन 5 सेकेंड कैसे फाइंड करेंगे। स्टार्टिंग में सीखने में थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा, मुझे सिखाने में भी थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा, लेकिन जब आप सीख जाएंगे तो बिल्कुल 5 सेकंड के अंदर आप किसी भी नंबर का 2 डिजिट के किसी भी नंबर का स्क्वायर फाइंड कर सकते हैं। देखिए एग्जांपल सीखिए और उसके बाद आप खुद भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं। सपोज दैट आई एम टेकिंग 44, but generally if you are going to find out the square of this number, you are doing like that 44 into 44. Okay, 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 4 4 is 16, carry 1, 17, and this is also comes 176, 6, 3, 9 and 1, 1936. This is the long method to find the square of any 2-digit number. Now come to the shortest trick. 4 square 16, 4 square 16. It means you have to square the first number and then after the second number. After that what you have to do, 4 into 4, 4 into 4 means 16, and the 16 into 2, what? 32. Now put a cross here and add this 32 by like that, and 6, 3, 9, 1. This is equals to this. Is it the easiest method we have seen ever? Okay, now I am taking example like 96. Okay, 9 9 ja 81, 6 6 ja 36. Now what do you have to do? You have square also here. 6 2 ja, it means you have to multiply these 3 digits. 9 6 ja into 2 ja, or 9 2 ja 18 into 6. You have to multiply these 3 numbers and then after leave this unit place and add the numbers whatever you are getting by putting here. Okay, 6 2 ja 12 and 12 9 ja 108. So you have to add 108 here. 6, 11, 2, 9. Okay, now you should have to check by a round division method that the answer is correct or not. 96 into 96, 6 is 36, carry 3, 6 9 ja 54 and 3 57, 9 6 ja 54, carry 5, 9 9 ja 81 and 5 86, 6 11, 2 and this is 9. The answer is same. Are you getting this short trick to find the square of any number between 1 and 100? Okay, let me another example for that. I am taking 39. Okay, the square of 39, 3 3 is 9, 9 is 81, and now multiply these 3 numbers. 3 9 is 27, 27 2 is 54. Leave this place, add the number here. 1 8 4 12, carry 1, 9 5 14 and 1 15. It means 15 21. Now you have to check it by long division. Long division answer and this trick answer will be same, and then after you understand that this trick is working. Okay, this trick is working for the numbers of 1 to 100 to find out the square number. Okay, let's check. 9 9 is 81, carry 8, 9 3 is 27 and 8 35, 3 9 is 27, 2 3 3 is 9 and 2 11, 1 12, 3 1 4 and 1 5, and this is 1 15 21. This all are equal. It means this trick is working. Now I am giving you some numbers just to find the square of this number by these tricks. Okay, and if you get your answer, please answer this in the comment box. 63 square, any number between 1 and 100 you can take. 41 square, 56 square, any number you can take. 66 square and dot 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 up to what? Up to 100. Now today we have learned how to find the square of any number between 1 and 100 by this short trick. I hope you enjoy this class, and please subscribe if yet not done. You share with your friends to help them. Okay, okay. Now have a good day, and please be safe, be in home, and continue your study by our channel. Thank you so much. थैंक यू।